Are you ready for a phone that promises to take your photos to the next level? Meet the Oppo Reno 13 Pro. With a whopping 200MP camera and a huge 6800 mAh battery, this phone might just change the game. Stick around to find out what makes it special. Today, we're diving into everything we know about the Oppo Reno 13 Pro. From its stunning display to impressive camera features, this phone could be a must-have in 2025. Let's explore what it offers. Design and display. The Oppo Reno 13 Pro is expected to come with a sleek 6.7-inch punch-hole display that's perfect for watching videos or playing games. The high refresh rate of 120 Hz means everything will look super smooth. Imagine scrolling through your feed without any lag. Sounds great, right? Plus, with a resolution of 1280x2800 pixels, your content will look sharp and vibrant. And for security, there's a built-in fingerprint sensor, making it easy to unlock your phone quickly. Next up, performance. Now, let's talk about what's inside. This phone is rumored to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 processor. That means whether you're browsing, streaming, or gaming, it should handle it all without a hitch. You won't have to worry about slowdowns during your favorite activities. Camera capabilities. Photography fans are in for a treat. The Reno 13 Pro is said to feature a triple rear camera setup with a massive 200MP main camera. That's right, 200 megapixels. This means stunning detail in your photos, whether you're snapping landscapes or close-ups. Plus, there's a 50MP ultra-wide lens for those epic group shots, and a 16MP depth sensor for creating beautiful portrait effects. But it doesn't stop there. For selfie lovers, the front camera is rumored to be 50MP as well. Yes, your selfies will look amazing. And if you love to capture video, the camera system is expected to support HD video recording, and even has up to 10x zoom. You can take clear shots of distant subjects like never before. One of the standout features of the Oppo Reno 13 Pro is its battery. With a massive 6800 mAh battery, this phone is built to last. You can expect a full day of heavy usage without worrying about running out of power. And when it's time to charge, the included 120W fast charger can fully charge the phone in just 45 minutes. You can spend less time plugged in and more time using your phone. Everyone has different needs when it comes to storage and performance. The Reno 13 Pro is rumored to come in 3 different configurations: 8GB RAM with 128GB internal storage, 12GB RAM with 256GB internal storage, 16GB RAM with 512GB internal storage. These options mean you can choose the one that fits your lifestyle best. Whether you're a casual user or someone who likes to keep a lot of apps and files, there's a model for you. So, when can we expect to see this phone? While there's no official launch date yet, insiders suggest it could hit the market between late December 2024 and early January 2025. As for pricing, it's expected to be in the mid-range segment, making it accessible for many users. The Oppo Reno 13 Pro is shaping up to be an exciting addition to the smartphone world. With its powerful camera, long-lasting battery, and solid performance, it could be the perfect device for anyone looking to upgrade. What do you think? Are you excited about this launch? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more gadget reviews. See you in the next video.